Do you have a bridge and you wonder how you can stick the floss and clean it? Well, I have a hack for you. So if you have a bridge, most likely you're missing at least one tooth. So what a bridge is a fixed appliance that replaces a tooth, at least one. So basically, in this case, this is fixed. You can't remove it. So cleaning your teeth with a toothbrush only is not enough. Actually, you have to floss between your teeth. How do you floss between the bridge teeth? Let me show you. If you didn't already know, Oral-B makes something called superfloss. And I'm going to show you how to floss with the superfloss underneath your bridge. So superfloss has almost like a thin wire end which continues with a fluffy part and then a normal floss end. And here's how you floss with this. You basically stick this underneath the bridge like this, and then of course you pull it on the side. So then what you do is you slide this portion under, if I can show you with two hands, you slide this portion underneath here and back and forth to the back of the tooth here, and then you can slide it back out like this. So that's how you clean underneath the bridge, and it's important to do it at least once before bedtime. So if you don't clean your bridge properly with both brushing and flossing underneath, caries can develop right around here and here. And of course you would get a failed bridge. You'd have to treat the caries underneath and replace the bridge. Hope this helps.